Ranger 632 airboat combination. This is for a customer of yours, and it's Poorboys Airboats. Kind of give you a brief description of this combination. It is got the Brodex aluminum cylinder block, AFR cylinder heads. It's a hydraulic roller motor. We had that custom ground by Comp Cams. Custom J&E pistons. This has got the pin squirters in it. It's also got the valve spring oiler kit on it. As you can see, we've got it all plumbed up. We dyno with it. Dyno with the engine oil cooler too, as you can see down there. CFI, we do all this in-house on this manifold and stuff, custom make it. It's Holley system, 2000 CFM throttle body. It's all timing controlled, ECU. It's got our latest version Steph oil pan. Done a lot of work developing this with Steph. Take you in, show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 2500, it's 690 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 832, and peaks horsepower 786. Really, in these combinations, the 5,000 number is what we really work on. 755. It's almost 800 foot-pounds of torque. So that's kind of what we think is impressive stuff. So we'll go ahead and get her off there, get in a crate, and come your way. Have a great day.